Alright everybody, she is done. The Lian GA2 Lite has been installed. She looks nice. And I give Lian credit. This is one of the most and easiest simple setup I have done with the AI cooler. So Lian, I give you credit on that. Y'all made it so simple to install it on a AM4 and an AM5 motherboard. You got your Intel bracket. I don't know how easy it is with the Intel brackets, but this is AM5 for my client because he went ahead on and moved the Thermalright digital good cooler. But the thing is that the thermal paste was dried out on delivery. So Thermalright, if you watch it, make sure that you use proper thermal paste and make sure your thermal paste is not dried out, because as my client was climbing over 400 FPS, it started heating up with the Thermalright digital, and then the temperature, then his FPS started dropping. So yes, my client is on the 5070 GPU, and he is climbing 400 FPS. He wanted to go to an AIO. I told him no problem, it's your system. He thought I would be mad about the air cooler. I say no. If I know you want an AIO, I could have put that in on the price list. I didn't know you wanted an AIO. So he got an AIO by Lian. This is the GA2 Lite, and I'm telling you, this baby is easy to hook up on the AM5 motherboard. Simple. The way I did it was I installed one bracket first, while the other bracket of the Thermalright digital was still hooked up, so we could go ahead and keep that back plate in place. Other than that, she's nice. I already did the peel. I threw the paper on the floor. You can go ahead on and take a good look at it if you see it with the light. She is nice. Now, the only thing I have to do now is, before I do everything and set the fan curves and everything, the fan speed, I gotta give her a good clean down. She's a little dusty, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blow it out for my client, give it a clean down, put the GPU back in, connect it to my main frames, set the fan speed perfect. I might have it at 1650 RPM, and these fans here are good by Lian. Good thinking on that, and that's great. So I'm gonna go ahead and, like I said, set up everything, give it a good clean down. And this is AIO by Lian GA2 Lite. Is great, it's easy, and if you want one, it'll be in the descriptions below. They're going for 119. I'm gonna go ahead and put their page, their store page as well, so I can go ahead and get commission when y'all buy the product. Alright, thank y'all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.